Okay, guys, welcome back. Today I'm in Samet. This is where all the ferries come in. This is a beautiful, beautiful island, or at least parts of it is. The town itself, not so nice. And here, although very well built, it's a bit of an eyesore. This is not a beautiful part of the island. Or at least that's the way I see it. Some cool boats, some very, very old, run down, poorly maintained boats, but some of them are very nice. But the structure itself, the dock itself, absolutely an eyesore, at least in my opinion. It's surprising how old and run down a lot of these boats are. The speedboats and the ferries. Some of them are just, how can this be in a tourist area? Look at this one. That thing hasn't seen maintenance since the day it was built. Not much better those two. Crazy. That one looks nice. Busy place. It's only about 5 minutes from the mainland, right? Okay, guys, there it is. As always, thanks for watching. If you're new here and you like these kind of videos, don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you on the next one.